Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Bazzite and ChimeraOS. Bazzite is a Linux operating system that is made with gamers in mind. It is built on Fedora, which means it is stable and secure, but at the same time designed to run games smoothly. What makes Bazzite special is that it comes with almost everything pre-installed for gaming. Steam, Heroic Launcher, Lutris, and emulators are all supported out of the box, so you don't have to spend time setting things up. It also gets automatic updates, has strong hardware compatibility, and even works really well with its Steam Deck. Another plus is that it still feels like a full desktop operating system, so you can use it for normal PC tasks too, not just games. For gamers who want flexibility, custom settings, and the ability to play from multiple platforms, Bazzite gives a complete package. ChimeraOS, in comparison, is more focused on making your computer feel like a gaming console. Instead of acting like a normal desktop, it puts directly into a console-like interface, similar to Steam Big Picture or PlayStation Dashboard. You can navigate it fully with a controller, which makes it perfect for connecting to a TV and playing from the couch. It supports Steam games and also other launchers, but it doesn't include as many tools or extra features as Bazzite. Its main goal is simplicity. You turn on your PC and you're straight into your games without needing to touch a keyboard or mouse. Overall, Bazzite wins for players who want a full Linux desktop that is powerful, customizable, and ready for all kinds of gaming, from PC titles to emulation. ChimeraOS is the better choice if you want a minimal setup that feels like a dedicated console, focused on ease of use and control-based play. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.